Hi, welcome to this video today, which is all for those traders who want to learn Forex scalping or day trading, want to know the best techniques and strategies for profit. And my answer to the best way to trade Forex in terms of scalping, the best methods and techniques would be, there are none. Forex scalping is a loser's way of trading. I'll explain why in this video, and once you understand how forex prices move, you'll see why it is a losing strategy. But why is it so popular? Well, it's basically promoted by brokers, and brokers want to make as much money out of their clients as they can, so it's in their interest to promote scalping or day trading. You've also got a huge amount of system sellers out there, robot sellers, and they basically know they can appeal to the greed of naive traders and sell them these systems which they say will make a regular income, which never do. So why is forex scalping a method which is destined to failure? Well, you've only got to look at forex prices and how they move in a day to see why. If you look at the composition of the forex markets, you've obviously got speculators, those traders who want to make money from the markets, and you've also got a huge amount of people transacting, basically monetary transactions that facilitate global trade. And that could be corporations buying equipment, providing services, people buying houses. There's a whole mass of small transactions that go on each day. They cannot be predicted. They go on all around the world, and they create random noise in short time periods of minutes to hours. There's a lot of people who say you can predict where these prices will go. It's absolutely impossible to predict. And this noise, as I would call it, is impossible to trade. You cannot use support and resistance because it just isn't valid. Prices in very short time frames, and when you're scalping, you're basically looking to make profits in minutes or hours. You're scalping within the noise, you've got no chance of making money, and you'll just basically end up losing your account. And many beginners are lured in as well by the idea, or they have the idea that banks and hedge funds make money with high frequency trading systems, transacting orders really quickly. And you'll see a lot of this on the net. And yes, banks and brokers do make a lot of money with scalping systems or high frequency trading systems, but they're making money out of commission. The trader doesn't make any money. And if you want proof of this, just go and look at the managed fund statistics of the best discretionary bank or hedge funds. Very few can get into double figures. And there was an interesting study done by a guy called Simon Lacker, who's a hedge fund manager, and he worked out that basically if you'd invested in the hedge funds back in 1998, the average hedge fund, and you took the performance through to today, you'd have made double the money if you'd invested in T-bills. So there's a huge myth about banks and brokers making money out of scalping. They make money, but it's commission based. It isn't for the client. If you want to trade forex, what I would suggest, if you're looking for the best strategies and techniques, is to read up on the great traders, and you'll see that none of them are scalping or day trading. They're mostly swing trading, they're contrary traders, or they're long-term trend followers. But most will be taking positions that last a few days to a few weeks or longer. One thing you have to keep in mind with forex trading is if you're trading the markets, you're probably going to lose at least half your trades. The best traders in the world probably only make money on half their trades, so you're not going to beat them. But of course you can make money just winning 50% of your trades. It's the difference between profits and losses, which is obviously the important criteria in your bottom line. Now, when you see all these scalping systems and strategies sold online, you'll see they'll claim an accuracy of like 90%. And it's just simply made up. No trader makes money on 90% of their trades. And these systems, if they did, wouldn't sell for a few $100s. They'd sell for billions, basically. The forex markets today, are heavily promoted. There's a lot of money to be made by brokers and system sellers, but don't fall for the hype and the message of greed that they put over. You can make a regular income scalping and day trading. You can't. In my 27 years trading history, I've never ever seen a scalper or day trader make money longer term. So my advice would be, trade longer term and basically accept the fact that you're not going to win 90% of your trades. You're not going to make a regular weekly income. But if you learn a proven strategy based on swing trading or long-term trend following, you can make a great long-term income, and you can enjoy forex trading success. So thank you for watching this video. Take care and have a good day.